Well, the nice thing about this particular event is that we see the key people from some of the major food manufacturing companies in the UK and elsewhere in the world. So the quality of people who come to this show, we've found, are the best of the best, and it's worth our time to keep coming back.
It showcases the whole range that we do, and the Foodex show is an ideal platform to demonstrate that.
Foodex is our key show, I think, certainly for the UK industry. It gives us an opportunity to showcase all of our products and develop business.
We've been exhibiting at Foodex for probably around 18 years now, so probably around our 9th or 10th show. It's the only UK show really of this kind of scale, and it's a chance for us to get in front of our customers. You know, the internet's great, the phone's great, we've got a test bakery and a big showroom where we are located in Somerset, but this is a chance to get in front of lots of people and, be face to face with our customers and, really meet people, talk about their products and, show off what we're about really.
Foodex brings everybody together. We've done it every year since the beginning, and every year we see different people coming to the show. If we don't attend Foodex, then we don't get the opportunity to show off all the new kit. Foodex for us, we get our usual customers, which are our biggest customers in the UK, but we also get lots of new customers.
3 words, it would be authentic, it would be engaging, and I'd say ultimately productive as well. Meeting people face to face so that they can actually understand what we're about as a company, why we're different. That's why shows like this are critical to us. There's nothing like being in front of your market.
It's always nice to see loyal customers coming back to visit us on the stand, but it's also interesting to see people from further afield coming to the stand as well. So we have overseas visitors in increasing numbers. We wouldn't be here just for the sake of being here. There's a reason to be here. It's exposure. It's one of the best ways in which you can showcase innovation within your company, and it's also a very good forum for meeting new customers.
Over the years we've picked up some big clients here, and for us really it's just about networking with our existing customers and also engaging with new people, potential customers, new companies, to see if we can help them with their problems and issues as well.
This is a good show for us. We get the opportunity to meet our customers, spend quality time with them, and meet new customers.
We think it's important being here. As a global company, we need to be at the shows and show our presence.
This is the first time we've done this show, yeah. We decided at the last minute to do this one, which has paid dividends with the amount of leads that we've got from it as well. So we're really happy with the results. It just gives everyone a lot of inspiration and shows what all their competitors are doing. So I think it's hugely important.